Triad sounds hard because it is, but a lot of it comes down to a few simple things you can learn pretty fast. Today I'll show you 2 shapes and 2 picking patterns, and you'll use them to play a few progressions you've heard 1,000 times before. I made a free PDF with the tabs, the link's in the description. Let's start with the minor shape. This is the A minor triad on the first 2 strings. This is the root A, the minor 3rd, and the 5th. And this is the picking pattern we will use for now. Since we move around the neck with this position, do this next exercise so you get familiar with the shape and the picking pattern. We'll be playing A minor, D minor, E minor, and D minor again. Now I'll show you the A major triad, which is super simple. Just raise the 3rd. This is the shape. To get familiar with the shape, you can do this progression. A major, C major, D major, and F major. Now we're going to mix both minor and major triads using some very popular chord progressions, so what I'm showing you today clicks. The first one is C major, G major, A minor, and F major, 1, 5, 6, 4 in the key of C, the most famous pop progression. Now let's do it over Oops, I Did It Again by Britney, which is actually pretty difficult. Now let's try a different picking pattern, adding an extra hammer on. This time over Run to the Hills by Iron Maiden. This one's fast. Now let's do it over Sultans of Swing, where Knopfler in a way does something similar to this. Two triad shapes, 2 picking patterns, and a few famous progressions. The PDF with the tabs is linked in the description. And if you want to keep improving your playing, this is the video that you have to watch. I'll see you there.